In this video, we are using a synchronized viewer and a rectangle to create a simple magnifier. Add a local image, a SynchroView 2D and a sub-image module to your workspace and connect them as seen in the video. Open the SynchroView 2D and scroll through the slices. You can see the original image on the left side and a part of the image from the top left corner on the right side. Open the panel of the sub-image module. The module extracts sub-images from its input image. The start and end coordinates can be defined in the panel. We now want to define the bounding box of the sub-image module based on a rectangle drawn on the original image. Add a SynchroView 2D rectangle module to your workspace. The module provides an open inventor output, but the viewer does not show such an input. Hit space to show hidden inputs of your modules. You can now see the inventor input of the SynchroView 2D and connect it with your SynchroView 2D rectangle. Draw rectangles on your original image. The panel of the SynchroView 2D rectangle shows the start and end of the rectangle as a vector object. We have to convert the vector to 3 numeric values. Add 2 decompose vector 3 modules. They convert our 3-dimensional vectors to 3 single values for x, y and z. Draw parameter connections from the rectangle to the decompose vector 3 and then to the subimage as seen in the video. Parameter connections in MeVisLab can be used to synchronize field values between modules. The type of the field needs to be the same in both modules. In case the types differ, MeVisLab provides a lot of conversion modules to allow connections. Check Auto Apply and activate Autocorrect for negative subimage extents. Change your subimage to use the mode World Start and Image Axis Aligned. Now your drawn rectangles define the subimage. Depending on the size of your rectangle, the subimage works like a magnifier. For further information, please have a look at www.mevislab.de.